कि Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Marsnya jingtep bakal don ke jingkeno bagi lab dok Prek hau Dawai Capsule ublaai na Primary Health Center Pomlum ka Menteri Sorkar ka pe ketnat ka koi ka khia ka Dr. Ampri Lyngngoh ka le thu baka kunhun jeki doktor bakan thop ki Senior Specialist ha ka Pharmacology bat ka kunhun ka pe ki Dawai na ka MMDSL Inspector of Drugs na East Khasi Hills bat u Logistic Manager ki lalek branch Pomlum PHC bantok kit benya Henry hawala poi hapom luom kila i artatien lupa namar bau tau Prek ya kabala keno bau don hapo Capsule u Kham Jrong penban bannya ke Jrong jong Capsule Henry wat la kataru ka kunhun ki Doktor kila pait benya e ki wei pat ki Dawai Capsule ki badan hakte ka PHC bat kilam ba ki dei ki bahas sudah bat kam don kanu ka jing thrais niu ka menteri ketnat ka koi ka khia ka Dr. Ampri Lyngngoh kalau kentui ke ba ban ai ke jing trelang bat ki jaka sumar khnang bakin la ban ai ke jing syakri ke bahatam bat la da ki don kanu ke jing ujor ki la ban pentep shau number iwei saw iwei not
from other strips of medicines and checked where there was no damage or nails or any other foreign material found. We have also checked if there was prima facie any complaint about the drug in any other facility. There was none. However, we are checking it again to ensure that no issue arises. We request everyone to cooperate in our endeavors to give better services to the people. People can use the number 14410 helpline. I repeat, 14410 helpline to raise any complaints on drugs henceforth. Thereby, we can clarify or rectify them at the earliest.
Go.
This morning, there was information about some nails being found inside a capsule of amoxicillin tablets given to a patient from the Pomlum PHC of East Khasi Hills district. On hearing this, the team comprising of the senior specialist in pharmacology and a person in charge of quality of drugs from the MMDSL, the Inspector of Drugs of East Khasi Hills, and Logistic Manager had visited the PHC for necessary verifications. Upon arrival, it was found that the alleged nail that was supposedly inside the capsule as claimed by the complainant was bigger than the capsule itself, which raises suspicion about the nature of the complaint. Random sampling was taken from other strips of medicines and checked whether there were any other capsules having this kind of nails in them, and it was found after a random sampling from various strips in the same batch that no other capsule had any nail inside of them.